Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to create a file folder in Windows 11 laptop. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply come to the window environment. Right, click on the window environment, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to New, and then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Folder. And here we go. You can simply name your folder. You can call it whatever name of your choice. So my new photo. Then once you name it, simply press enter. You are done. You can simply open up the folder, double click on it, and the folder become open. So you can begin to copy and paste file into this particular folder. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to create a new folder on Windows 11 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.